many congratulations on season 4 of
Thank
Panchayat.
you. Whatever I am today, it is just because of this show.
Rinky's romantic track with Sacheet Ji. It's receiving so much love. So why do you think the fans are so invested in their relationship?
This is the kind of romance that used to happen like years ago. People still want that old school love, which is slow and where there is like little bit of hesitation in expressing their feelings. So people really enjoy that thing.
Tell us ये set पे माहौल कैसा होता है?
सब मस्ती करते रहते हैं, कोई किसी चीज को सीरियसली नहीं लेता है, सब ऐसा गोले में बैठेंगे, मस्ती चलती रहेगी, किसी ने यहाँ से कुछ बोला, किसी ने वहाँ से बोला, हंसी मजाक हा चलता रहेगा.
Do you think Pradhan ji and Manju Devi deserve to win या जो हुआ ठीक ही हुआ?
I think जो हुआ सही हुआ because I don't think so they were fighting for something that is wrong. They were demanding for things that were right. My gram was looking very boring. So that's why I just removed everything and I did my zero following just because when I used to see stories, there used to be like so much unnecessary information. Someone is doing this, that, someone is roaming here, someone is wearing clothes. Unknowingly, it used to affect me.
Tanvika, welcome to Social Catch Up. How are you doing?
I'm good. Firstly, thank you, Karina, for having me here. And you are looking lovely today.
Thank you. Oh, it's a pleasure having you with us. So many congratulations on season 4 of Panchayat. It's winning hearts all over. Obviously, as people say, ki it's India's most loved series. Yeah. So tell us, how does that feel?
I think the feeling is great. You can't describe in words like the kind of feeling that you have when people send you like so many messages. And if you're going anywhere, be it be a petrol station, be it be like you are crossing a building, or everywhere you go and people just recognize you, and if they see us, it lights up their day. And the kind of reaction that we see on their faces, the kind of happiness they feel, it really makes us feel so delighted. And I think I'm very grateful for whatever thing that is going on right now, whatever the kind of appreciation and love that we all the actors are getting, the love that show is getting. I think it's very difficult to put that feeling in words or sentences. It's amazing. It's beyond words.
Great. Yeah. So थोड़ा पीछे चलते हैं season 1 की तरफ. So even you as Rinky, your character, had a quite beautiful journey, quite interesting journey in this show. It started with that one shot in season 1. Yeah. And then फिर आपका character काफी evolve हुआ season 4 आते आते. So tell us, आपके लिए ये show कितना special रहा, कितनी special रही ये journey?
I think for me, this show is everything. I think whatever I am today, it is just because of this show. And I'm genuinely grateful to the makers, to the universe, I would say. Like, if I start my journey, I think the moment I went to casting bay for the audition, when Krita just came for the smoke break, and he just said, give the audition. I gave the audition, and after a few days when I was like called for it, it is all like the universe timing, and I really want to thank TVF for this thing, the makers, the writer, the director, and the people who take decisions in TVF, maybe Arunab sir, or like there are like many other people also, and Amazon Prime for this, because when they finalize the character, it is not one single person's decision, it is everyone's decision. It's a collective decision. So I am very grateful that they had picked me. Though the audition was nice, but usually what happens when you are getting casted in like one of the primary characters, a lot of things are taken into consideration. Sometimes it's the follower, sometimes it's the name. If you are like already popular, it gets easier to get attraction. Or sometimes when you have followers, so it gets easier to build an attraction. So I was really grateful that they considered me like good enough to experiment with someone who's like absolutely new. So I'm very grateful, and whatever I am today, it is just because of destiny, TVF, makers. If I have to mention one important thing, also my parents की दुआ. मतलब जो रोज मम्मी सुबह उठ के जो दुआ करती है कि मेरी बेटी के लिए भगवान जी आप ऐसा कर दो, भगवान जी आप ऐसा कर दो. आई थिंक ये सारी चीज़ों का वो ना एक कॉम्बिनेशन सा बना है मेरे लिए. एंड आई फील कि at times I just don't have words to express ki what has happened in my life. It is just beautiful. It is beyond words, whatever is happening, and I'm really thankful and very grateful for everything.
Great, you just mentioned about your parents.
Yeah.
Like I said before we started rolling कि national crush तो आप हैं ही,
Yeah.
but in a way आपको जो elderly audience है वो
हाँ.
इतना appreciate करती है, इतना
Yeah.
प्यार देती
Yeah,
है.
yeah,
I would say you're also national crush के साथ साथ national बेटी.
National बेटी, I like it.
So tell us, I mean कोई खास fan reactions, बहुत special कुछ fan encounter हुआ हो जो आपके दिल के काफी करीब हो.
I think the one reaction that actually hit me, तो जब season 2 आया था, season 2 के time पे there was this national crush वाला thing वो जो हुआ था, for me it was very difficult to process that thing क्योंकि I have never considered myself like good enough और फिर मुझे नहीं लगा था कि I'll stand out या मैंने अच्छा काम किया है. I didn't realize it at all. I just thought कि मैंने मिश्रा सर को कॉल करके बोला था कि ये सब TVF करा रहे हैं ना, ये ऑर्गेनिक नहीं है ना, ये नहीं है ना. बोले कि अरे हम क्यों कराएंगे, हम तुम्हारे ऊपर पैसा क्यों खर्च करेंगे. बोले कि अरे बाबा अपने आप को डाउट करना इतना बंद करो. ये सारी चीज़ें जो है वो लोगों को ने एक्चुअल में पसंद किया है, तुम अपने ऊपर डाउट करना बंद करो. बट आई डेंट रियलाइज दिस थिंग एंड मैसेजेस आते रहते थे. देन वी वेंट टू जम्मू फॉर दिस बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस एंड देयर वाज दिस इवेंट एंड वहाँ पे परेड हुआ एंड परेड के बाद then a lot of people were there, crowd, काफ़ी सारा crowd था. एंड फिर वो धीरे धीरे सेल्फी लेना शुरू किया उन्हें सारे एक्टर्स जो वहाँ पे अवेलेबल थे. फिर उसके बाद ऐसा हो गया था कि मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ आ गई थी एंड जो जिनके साथ हम गए थे इट गॉट लाइक डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम टू कंट्रोल द क्राउड. तो वो मेरे को ऐसे खींच के लेकर जा रहे थे, अरे हटो हटो हटो, ऐसे वो खींच के जब वो लेकर जा रहे थे तो वहाँ पे एक अंकल थे, उनने बोला था कि अरे तो तुम कौन होते हो बोलने वाले, अरे हमारी बेटी, हम अपनी बेटी के साथ फोटो खींचने के लिए तुमसे परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी क्या. तो वो जब उनने बोला था ना कि अरे हमारी बेटी है यार, तुमसे परमिशन थोड़ी ना लेंगे उसके साथ फोटो खींचने के लिए, दैट वाज द मोमेंट दैट इट एक्चुअली हिट मी एंड दैट इज़ वन थिंग वो आज भी मुझे याद है. एंड फिर उसके बाद मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ था कि ओके दिस शो हैज़ डन समथिंग, दिस हैज़ एक्चुअली टच्ड पीपल्स लाइफ. एंड फिर उसके बाद मतलब आप कहीं पे भी जाते हो लोग कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. मेरे पेरेंट्स को उनके दोस्त लोग इतना कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं कि आपकी बेटी बहुत अच्छा कर रही है, हमारी बेटी की तरह है और वो बहुत आगे जाए, बहुत उसको बहुत सारी दुआएं. तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, या there's been like overflow of compliments and wishes.
Amazing. So how close are you to Rinky's character?
How close I am? I think not. It's like mix, not very close. I would say like similarities, if we have to talk about it, is that we both talk very less. मैं अभी कुछ 3-4 दिनों से इतना बोलना सीखी हूँ. Otherwise, usually I'm very quiet and very shy. And दूसरा is like that we both stand up for things that we feel is wrong. हम एक लाइन में बोलेंगे, we might not fight like physically, but we'll voice out our opinions. I think these are the two qualities that I really feel that it's very similar to Rinky. And we both are like very different when it comes to like a career and like career ambitions. So like I've always been someone who always wanted to do something. Right now, she is still figuring out. She didn't have like any ambition just because of the environment she grew up in. So she's still confused and she gives love more importance than like career. So in those things, like we are very different.
Okay, great. And you just said कि हम दोनों ही कम बात करते हैं. I think even Jeetu, I've met him once for an interview. I think speaks very less.
Very less. मतलब मैं कम बात करती हूँ, वो मुझसे भी कम बात करता है. Now you imagine. So when we both are together, so then I am the one who takes initiative and I start talking and then he'll respond. And after 10 minutes, he gets comfortable. Then we talk for hours. So that's the thing. Because and it happens like every time. It's not that once we have talked, so it will be like all good. It happens every time.
Yeah,
but he's a sweetheart.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think जो भी situations उनकी होती है, he'll just if he's there on set of or if he's there in a space like this where he's interviewing or in a professional space, he will always keep like his problems aside and he's always there. It's just that he's like he doesn't talk that much. That's why it happens like people might take it like in the other way. I'm saying this because it happens with me. So I talk very less, and people sometimes take me in other ways. Ki, oh, she is arrogant, she is this, but that's not the case. People are different. That's it.
And coming across as arrogant, I think ये एक typical introvert problem
yeah. वो introvert की वो थोड़ी सी वो दिक्कत है.
Okay, then coming to season 4,
Yeah.
again, like I've mentioned before, receiving all the love, it's trending all over social media. So tell us, not as Rinki, but as the youth of the country, what do you think? What do you make of the election results? Do you think Pradhan ji and Manju Devi deserve to win? या जो हुआ ठीक ही हुआ? Not as Rinki, as Sanvika.
I think जो हुआ सही हुआ. Because I don't think so. They were fighting for something that is wrong. They were demanding for things that were right. They were demanding for things for roads, for electricity, and for fairness. So I don't think so. Their demands were like wrong. It is like the general audience, general citizen. I would say citizen, general citizen, that they should be given these rights, and they were fighting for that thing. I think it's right.
The election result, you're okay that Pradhan ji and Manju Devi lost it, and Banrakas got the chance.
The demands were not wrong. This is what I'm saying. The demands were not wrong. Whatever happened in the whole process, I know they are shown in that kind of light. The characters are shown in that way. But the demands were not wrong. As a citizen, it's your right to have a good road, to have good electricity supply, to have like clean water and everything, So I don't think so.
Okay, great. So another thing that fans are gushing over is your romantic track, Rinki's romantic track with Sachiv ji. It's receiving so much love. So why do you think the fans are so invested in their relationship, and especially after season 4, after those cute moments?
I think it's also because the way when usually we are in a space where everything is happening like so fast. You go for the first meeting, and after 2 days, there people are committed. Like right now, we are living in that kind of environment. This is the kind of romance that used to happen like years ago. When you and I were growing up in our hometown. So that people still want that old school love, which is slow and where there is like little bit of hesitation in expressing their feelings. So people really enjoy that thing. So that's why the way it has been written, the way the story is growing, the love angle is growing. I think people relate to that a lot. So that's why people are so much invested. And also the chemistry, I think on screen, the chemistry looks good, that people want them to be together. So yeah, I think even since season 1, people want them to be together. So yeah, I think it's the on-screen chemistry that people enjoy.
Absolutely. And any favorite moment आपके Rinki and Sachiv ji के?
I think I find it very comforting to work with Jeetu. He's a very sweet, gentle person, and whenever I'm there with him on set, whenever we are performing together, the kind of comfort that I get with him, I think that's the reason we have like on screen such good chemistry. And
any favorite scene?
Any favorite scene? I think in season 2, when we did a chai scene, that was the first day of season 2 for me. And I was like very nervous. And I really enjoyed, I was nervous, but also like I enjoyed the give and take, what was happening at that particular moment. So that was like one scene that I enjoyed. And in season 4 also, season 4 mein kaun sa scene tha?
The muffler scene?
The muffler scene was like all these scenes are very awkward. Yeah.
No, they're so cute.
Very cute.
And also the scene जो trailer में भी है, you give him a very ऐसा death stare when he says ठीक है मैं resign करके चला जाऊँगा.
Yeah. That was fine, but like performing wise, it was not that difficult. But there was like group of monkeys. There were like lot of monkeys over there, and they just came and crossed. It was around like 20-25 monkeys, and they were just running across this whole thing. So that was difficult for us. And in the Tunky scene, over there also, it was awkward for us. But yeah, they yeah,
Okay, no, but I think your chemistry comes across beautifully on
yeah,
screen.
yeah,
So
yeah.
kudos to that.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, so पंचायत शो में इतने सारे कलरफुल कैरेक्टर्स हैं उनकी, बहुत वाइब्रेंट है, दे हैव देयर ओन कैरेक्टर आर्क्स, बी इट प्रधान जी, मंजू देवी, विनोद, भूषण भाई, एवरीवन, ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन. सो टेल अस, ऐसे कौन से कैरेक्टर्स हैं जिनसे आप कनेक्ट करती हो या जिन्हें आप बहुत अप्रिशिएट करती हो?
So acting wise, I appreciate each and every actor. जो characters उनको मिले हैं, they have done it like so beautifully कि मैं क्या बताऊँ. सारे characters, सारे actors. जो ये तो आपने major characters का नाम लिए, जो छोटे छोटे characters या छोटे छोटे role के लिए भी आए, उन्होंने भी अपने space में बहुत beautifully perform किया है. या तो किसी का पर्सनल मतलब ऐसा कोई फेवरेट मैं नहीं बोल सकती क्योंकि सब बहुत अच्छे हैं. और आपका सवाल क्या था पहला मैं भूल गई.
ये कि योर फेवरेट कैरेक्टर्स,
My favorite characters, yeah, everyone is nice. Everyone is nice. I can't say कि this is my favorite, this is my favorite. क्योंकि sometimes I see things from the perspective of an actor कि yeah, this person has performed so well, this person has performed. So everyone has done such a fab job, such a fab job. I can't tell you.
Okay.
Yeah. But I just want to say that Sunita ma'am is a very sweet person. I want to mention this thing because I know the kind of character that she has in this and the kind of messages that she's getting right now. That is just the character. And as a person, she's lovely. She's beautiful person, very soft spoken, very like a child. You know, the kind of innocence a child has. If you talk to her like one on one, like off screen and all that, she's a very beautiful lady, very soft lady. So please shower her with like lots of love.
I'm sure the audience does that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, like you mentioned, I think बहुत ही brilliant cast है. Raghuveer Yadav ji, Neena Gupta ma'am. I think they are institutes in their own.
Yeah.
So tell us, ये set पे माहौल कैसा होता है इतने धुरंधरों के साथ when you're working?
सब मस्ती करते रहते हैं, कोई किसी चीज़ को सीरियसली नहीं लेता है. सब ऐसा गोले में बैठेंगे, मस्ती चलती रहेगी. किसी ने यहाँ से कुछ बोला, किसी ने वहाँ से बोला, हंसी मजाक हा 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 चलता रहेगा. So that's the environment that we are. If everyone is there, so that's the environment. And उनसे बस यही मैं सीखती हूँ कि मतलब सिचुएशन में कैसे रहना है और चीज़ों को कैसे हैंडल करना है, क्योंकि उनसे उनकी लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस बहुत है. तो जितना मैं उनसे उनको देखकर ऑब्जर्व करके मैं सीख सकती हूँ. जैसे कि वो हमेशा खुश रहते हैं, खुश इन द सेंस कि दे डोंट टेक स्ट्रेस कि ये सीन ऐसे करना है वैसे करना है. दे आर लाइक वो करते 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 इतने धुरंधर हो गए उस चीज़ में कि इट जस्ट कम्स नेचुरली टू देम. तो वो चीज़ मैं उनसे वो करती हूँ कि जस्ट बी इन द मोमेंट, डोंट टेक सो मच स्ट्रेस. हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा.
Great working experience. Huh?
Yeah. I think I'm having the best workshop of my life. To be surrounded with such people, to be surrounded with such great writers and directors, to be working with such kind of family, amazing. It's a workshop for me.
Great. So, फुलेरा की बातें हो गई. हमें आपका फुलेरा तो काफी अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
But my question to you is, how do you like Mumbai? 9 years हो गए आपको यहाँ आए. So how do you find the city? How do you find the people?
Mumbai is amazing. I think Mumbai has been very welcoming to me since the time I came here. यहाँ पे छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी हैं. मतलब सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे ये लगती है कि इट्स वेरी सेफ फॉर गर्ल्स लाइक अस, फॉर एनी वुमेन, फॉर एनी पर्सन. द सिटी इज़ वेरी सेफ. आप कुछ भी पहन के यहाँ पे घूम सकते हो, कोई आपको जज नहीं करेगा. आप किसी भी टाइम पे ट्रैवल कर सकते हो. ऐसा अगर आपको एयरपोर्ट से आना है, आप 1:30 बजे 3 बजे कितने बजे भी आप आ सकते हो. सेफ्टी का कोई इशू नहीं होगा, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड ऑल्सो जब मैं स्टार्टिंग में मुंबई आई थी, इट वॉज लाइक सो वेलकमिंग कि मतलब अगर मैं ऑटो से ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ, ऑटो वाले मुझसे बात करने लगेंगे और वो आपको सही गाइड करेंगे. अरे मैम यहाँ पे जाइए, वो आपको पूरा स्टूडियोज दिखाएंगे. हाँ कि मैम ये देखिए, यहाँ पे ये यशराज का स्टूडियो, यहाँ पे ये धर्मा का स्टूडियो, यहाँ पे बालाजी के वो होते हैं ना, मैडम आपको ये पता है. तो वो आपसे बहुत बात करते हैं. मतलब स्टार्टिंग में जब मैं ऑटो से बहुत ट्रैवल करती थी तो मेरे इतने लंबे लंबे कॉन्वर्सेशन होते थे कि मेरे को बड़ी मज़ा आती थी. को एक नया पर्सपेक्टिव मिलता था. फिर उसके अलावा भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल मैं लोकल से जब ट्रैवल करती थी एंड लोकल इज़ वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग, यहाँ से जाना है वहाँ से जाना है, तो आई यूज टू बी लाइक अगर मैं कंफ्यूजन में खड़ी हूँ, कोई रैंडम इंसान वहाँ से क्रॉस करेगा और वो बस आपको हेल्प करके चला जाएगा, क्या हो गया बेटा, कहाँ जाना है आपको, बताओ कहाँ जाना है, सर मेरे को यहाँ जाना है, आओ मैं आपको ड्रॉप कर देता हूँ वहाँ तक, फिर वहाँ से आप ये पकड़ लेना। तो दैट वे आई फील यहाँ के जो लोग हैं बहुत वेलकमिंग हैं, और ये इसलिए भी है क्योंकि यहाँ के लोग तो अच्छे हैं ही, और भी जो बाकी शहरों से आते हैं तो वो एक कम्युनिटी बन जाती है, और सब समझते हैं कि जब आप स्टार्टिंग में मुंबई आते हो वो फीलिंग कैसी होती है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं, और फिर मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात ये मुंबई की लगती है कि यहाँ पे अ, ये सपनों का शहर है। हर इंसान जो इस शहर में टाइम देता है, अपनी शिद्दत से काम करता है, उसको सक्सेस ज़रूर मिलेगी। इट्स वेरी रिवॉर्डिंग, और आप एन्जॉय कर सकते हो यहाँ पे। अगर आपके जेब में पैसे हैं तो भी एन्जॉय कर सकते हो, और नहीं है तो भी एन्जॉय कर सकते हो। अ, तो ये सही चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं मुंबई के बारे में।
That was such a brilliant insight because
Yeah.
people go on and on about how
Yeah.
expensive the city is, but ye pehlu they don't really talk
Yeah.
about. They don't
Matlab,
really talk much
I
about it.
agree that Mumbai is expensive, but that also depends on the lifestyle that you are having. So even if you have like a very limited budget, आप उस बजट में भी सर्वाइव कर सकते हो, और फिर आपकी लाइफस्टाइल जैसे जैसे बढ़ते जाएगी तो वैसे वैसे आपके खर्चे बढ़ते जाएंगे, और फिर आपके एक्सपेंसेस बढ़ते जाएंगे, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि आप सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते। इट टोटली डिपेंड्स।
Absolutely. So,
या
in the morning, while I was going through your social media account, Instagram account, I just noticed two things. Tanvika ke baju mein bracket mein you wrote Pooja Singh
या
and only 11 posts.
या
So you are an actor.
या
Digital age hai.
Yeah.
Social media is a great tool for actors,
Yeah,
and also
absolutely.
a good
It's very
tool
important.
to
Very important.
also a good tool to connect with fans. So how does that work for you? Itna inactive rehna social media pe.
So the basic thing is कि I find it very difficult and to be very active on social media, uh, but it is very important. I do not have the luxury to be like completely out of that social media zone. It is important, so I try to manage that thing. And also, like my earlier post, I deleted it. Means I didn't delete it. I archived it just because I felt my gram was looking very boring. I was like कि मैं ही बोर हो चुकी हूँ यार, मतलब मैं दूसरों को क्या ही बोलूँ. So that's why I just removed everything, and I did my zero following just because like when I used to scroll through or like see stories, there used to be like so much unnecessary information. Someone is doing this, that, someone is roaming here, someone is wearing these clothes, this, that. Unknowingly it used to affect me. I didn't realize it, but somewhere it gets stored, and that is not the information that I require. So that's why I just felt ki I should not, I don't want to see what other people are doing, what posts they are doing. Don't want to feel that pressure. Okay, even I have to post this, I have to do this, I have to get like a stylist photo shoot done. Uh, you know, it just creates like a lot of unsaid pressure. So I just wanted to stay away from that thing. And it actually reduced my anxiety. Uh, my Instagram time was like somewhere around 6, 7 hours. And it is crazy if I'm wasting like 6, 7 hours over there. So I need to put like
A limit.
A limit. Yeah, I need to put a limit on that thing.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I just removed everything. And right now, I don't have anything much to do on social media. So that's why I'm like pretty sorted as of now.
I think.
But it is very important. All the other actors, if they are listening, uh, it is important. Please don't follow this thing. I just did this because for me, it doesn't come naturally. I post only when I feel like.
You spoke of getting affected by all this, feeling anxious. So, how important it is for an actor in an industry which could be so uncertain to take care of their mental health, and what are other things that you do to keep your mental health in balance?
It is very important because your mental health is everything. If your brain is working too much on unnecessary things, it takes away your calmness, peace, and if you are not calm, uh, it's a very uncertain industry. You will get bothered by every single thing, every little thing. So your mental health, you have to keep checking your mental health. So you have to figure out like what is bothering you. Like I figured out that Instagram was taking away like so much time. I lost my that thing, attention span, because you know, for I used to see something for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, boring, boring. So my attention span was like very less, just because of Instagram. I used to get like very anxious, so I tried to limit that thing. Apart from that, people say कि you should meditate, so I try, but no, I don't do it like very often. But yeah, I try, and it actually gives me like a lot of calmness. And for my mental health, I always try to go somewhere near nature. It actually makes me feel so happy when I hear the chirping of the birds, when I see trees around, when I see uh, water, or when I hear the sound of water. It just makes me feel very calm. So these are the things that I try. Yeah, that's it.
Lovely. So, final question of this segment. Now that Pradhan ji has lost the elections, सचिव जी ने भी ऑलमोस्ट क्रैक कर ही लिया है अपना कैट.
Oh yeah.
हाँ, so शायद वो भी 3-4 महीने बाद he might leave. So, where do you find Rinki in all this?
Where do I find Rinki? यार मेरे find करने से कुछ नहीं होता है.
Where do you think? I mean, fans क्या expect कर सकते हैं आते
I
हुए
think
season
it
से?
is everything is in the hands of the writers. वो खाली पन्ने पे वो जहाँ पे लेकर जाना चाहे character को, they'll take it that way. But yeah, I really want Rinki and Sachiv ji to be together. क्योंकि as an actor or as an audience also मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार अब बहुत हो गया. I think they should be together. But also the writers are very realistic. Very realistic. So maybe कई बार life में ये भी होता है कि you like someone but things just doesn't fall in place. तो ये भी हो सकता है. So I have no idea where they will take the story.
Okay, and आपने बात की you want Rinki and Sachiv ji to be together, and I'm sure I speak on behalf of all the fans of the show. Yes, even we want the same. So writers, please don't break our hearts. Thank you so much, Sanvika, for your time. It was wonderful talking to you. All
Thank
the
you.
best for everything that you put your hands in. And many congratulations again for Panchayat Season 4.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Kareena. Hi, I'm Sanvika, and thank you for watching me on Social Ketchup Binge.